Hello, friends. Want to climb stairs like you're 30 years younger? These 3 exercises can make it happen, starting today. According to the National Institutes of Health, climbing more than 5 flights of stairs daily is linked to a lower risk of death from all causes, including cancer. So why does it get harder to climb stairs as we age? The answer is often muscle loss and declining mobility, not aging itself. The good news is that you can rebuild strength and move with ease again, no expensive equipment or supplements needed. In this video, we'll show you the only 3 exercises you need to climb stairs with confidence and reveal one powerful trick that helps even after leg surgery. But first, let's break down why stair climbing becomes a challenge in the first place. One big reason stairs feel harder with age isn't just getting older. It's sarcopenia, which is the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength that starts as early as your 30s. According to the NIH, adults lose about 3 to 8% of muscle per decade after 30, with the rate speeding up after 60. By your 70s, you may have lost a large chunk of your leg strength without even noticing. And it's not just weakness. Sarcopenia also affects balance and coordination, making stairs feel unstable or even dangerous. That's why many seniors grip railings tightly or avoid stairs altogether. But here's the good news. This decline can be reversed. With proper strength training, you can rebuild muscle, restore balance, and climb stairs confidently again. Now let's begin the 3 simple, powerful exercises you can start today to make climbing stairs easier, safer, and pain-free. Number 3. Sit to stand. The sit to stand might look simple, but for anyone over 60, it's one of the most powerful ways to rebuild the exact muscles you need to climb stairs. That's because it directly targets the quadriceps and glutes, the same muscles that weaken with age and make stairs feel harder. Research from Science Direct shows that frail adults aged 75 to 88 who did chair rises just 3 times a week for 12 weeks increased knee strength by up to 25%. They also used less effort doing squat-like movements, which means your legs work less to lift your body. But the benefits go beyond strength. Sit to stand also improves joint stability and balance, reducing wobbliness on stairs. To try it, sit in a sturdy chair, feet flat and hip width apart. Lean forward, squeeze your glutes and thighs, stand up fully, then lower back down slowly and with control. Beginners can start with 5 to 8 sit-to-stands per set, using their hands lightly if needed. As strength improves, aim for 12 to 15 reps with arms crossed or try a higher chair for an extra challenge and greater muscle gains. Just watch your form. Avoid leaning back, rushing, or letting your knees move past your toes. Keep your chest slightly forward and push through your heels for control. Now that you're building a solid base, let's take it up a notch with the next exercise. But before we continue, if you're finding this video helpful and want more simple, science-backed ways to stay strong and independent after 60, kindly hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Doing that shows us you enjoy our content and helps this video reach more people who truly need it. Number 2. Step-ups. The step-up is a simple but effective exercise that trains your body for real-life tasks, especially climbing stairs. It targets the gluteus medius, which is basically a key hip muscle that keeps your pelvis stable as you lift your leg. When this muscle is weak, balance suffers, knees wobble, and stairs feel tough. But when it's strong, you move with control and confidence. Step-ups also mirror the exact motion of stair climbing. According to research highlighted by the Mayo Clinic and fitness experts, this exercise activates the glutes, quads, and hamstrings, helping reverse muscle loss from sarcopenia. Done regularly, step-ups boost leg strength, improve balance, and lower your fall risk. To do step-ups safely at home, stand in front of a low, sturdy step. Step up with your right foot, pressing through your heel to lift your body. Bring your left foot up, then step down with your right, followed by your left. Keep alternating legs. Beginners can start with 6 to 8 reps per leg on a low step or use a thick book if needed. As you get stronger, aim for 12 to 15 reps per leg or add light dumbbells for extra challenge. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Don't push off the back leg, let your knee pass your toes, or lean too far forward. Keep your core tight, back straight, and movements slow and steady. Now that you've built upward strength, the next move will help protect your joints and sharpen your balance. Number 1. Step down with weight. The weighted step down is a great senior-friendly exercise that targets the exact muscles you need for smoother stair climbing. As you step backward off a low platform, your quads, glutes, and hamstrings work together to control your descent and power you back up. This not only builds strength, it retrains your muscles, helping reverse age-related loss from sarcopenia. The best part is that adding light weight makes it even more effective. It boosts hip stability, improves coordination, and lowers your fall risk. Scientifically, this kind of resistance training increases protein synthesis, reduces muscle breakdown, and sharpens neuromuscular control, which are all vital for staying strong and steady as you age. Here's how to do it safely at home. Stand on a low step with both feet and hold light dumbbells or water bottles. Shift your weight onto one leg, then slowly lower the opposite heel toward the floor. Tap the ground gently, then press through your standing leg to return to the step with control. Start with 1 to 2 sets of 6 to 8 reps per leg. If needed, skip the weights or hold on to a nearby surface for balance. As you get stronger, work up to 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps using heavier weights or a slightly higher step. Avoid common mistakes like leaning forward, letting your knee cave in, or dropping too fast. Keep your torso tall and your movements slow and steady. Now that you've built the strength and control your legs need, get ready. We're about to reveal a simple stair climbing trick that even helps after leg surgery. The real game changer is leaning slightly forward at your hips as you step up. Many people, especially after surgery, tend to pull themselves up with the railing or push straight from their hips. But that actually shifts your weight backward, making stairs feel heavier and increasing your fall risk. Here's why leaning forward works. It moves your center of gravity over your foot, letting gravity assist your muscles instead of fighting them. Research shows this reduces strain on your quads, making each step smoother and less painful. The trick is simple. As you step up, hinge gently at the hips and lean forward just a few degrees so your weight is directly over the step. Your muscles do less work and you feel lighter, safer, and more in control, even if you're recovering from surgery. Try it once and you'll feel the difference. Then share it with a friend. They'll thank you. With this new knowledge, it's time to say goodbye to weak legs and stair struggles. Just aim for 2 to 3 strength sessions a week, with rest days in between to let your muscles recover. Focus on all major muscle groups each time, and within a few weeks, you'll start seeing real results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe to our channel for more. Got a topic you'd love us to cover next? Drop it in the comments below. We'll love to hear from you. And if you're ready to stay strong, mobile, and pain-free and independent for years to come, click on the video showing on your screen right now to discover the 5 exercises to keep your core strong. No gym needed. See you there.